So we've had some time. We're going to look at this. So these first two are almost kind of a trick. They're actually easier than we think. All right, all we're looking for this is we'd say the sine of 130. That's your x value. And your y value, and your x value is cosine of 130. That's all I'm looking for. There is a trick where you put it in your calculator. We're going to talk more about that after break. So literally I'm looking for cosine of 130, sine of 130. So down here, since this is 285, right, because we went backwards, negative 75, this would be cosine 285 would be your x. Sine of 285 would be your y, right? That's it. All right, for our special cases, 60 degrees, your x value or your cosine of 60 degrees is going to equal 1/2. Your sine of 60 degrees or your y value is going to be square root 3 over 2. Okay. For 45 degrees, your cosine of 45 degrees is square root 2 over 2. Your sine of 45 degrees is square root 2 over 2. How are we feeling? Pretty straightforward? Okay. So I would like to look at this and talk about how we're filling this out because I had some people that were a little bit confused. So this is 30 degrees, square root 3 over 2, comma 1/2. This is 45 degrees. This is square root 2 over 2 and square root 2 over 2. This is 60 degrees. This is 1/2, square root 3 over 2, square root 3 over 2. This is 90 degrees. This is 0, comma 1. Am I going too fast? It's on your other paper too, in case you lost it. This is 120 degrees. This is negative 1/2, square root 3 over 2. This is 135 degrees. This is negative square root 2 over 2, square root 2 over 2. See how it's a little bit neater? There's not as much stuff going on. Okay, if you like the other one, that's fine. This is 150 degrees. This is negative square root 3 over 2, 1/2. This is 180 degrees. This should be negative 1, 0. This is 210 degrees. This is negative square root 3 over 2, negative 1/2. This is 225 degrees. This is negative square root 2 over 2 and negative square root 2 over 2. This is 240 degrees. This is negative 1/2, negative square root 3 over 2. This is 270 degrees. This is 0, negative 1. (300 degrees), 1/2, negative square root 3 over 2. 315 degrees, square root 2 over 2, negative square root 2 over 2. 330 degrees, square root 3 over 2, negative 1/2. And this is 0 degrees. This also has another one. This is 360 degrees as well. And it's 1, 0. It's where everything started. Okay. Then we can talk about negatives, right? Like this is negative 30 degrees, negative 45. We'll write all those down tomorrow because they are not on your homework for tonight. Okay? All of these are on your homework for today. Remember, cosine is X, sine is Y. Should be able to do all of those for homework. Is there any questions before I let you finish your homework for tonight? Work on that. Okay.